good afternoon. I'm Yuni. I'm an anesthesiology. Today we're going to be talking about spinal anesthesia, and I want to give you an idea about what that's about spinal anesthesia.
Okay, so
The indication for spinal anesthesia is that surgery can either be performed with general or regional anesthesia. We prefer to use a spinal anesthesia because it gives better fine control. We can talk about that in just a second. The benefit of the surgical anesthesia with spinal is that you can get better force of fine control. You will be able to get decreased blood loss during the surgery, and you can actually have less general anesthesia during the case. So, Saineko, when we do the spinal procedure, there was a couple steps. We're going to ask you to follow first. You're gonna have to sit up at the edge of the bed in the operating room and curve the back of your spine. Out for me, I will put some monitor on to be sure where monitor all the vital signs, and we may have you some medicine to have you feel a little relaxed. I will go and clean your back to make it sterile, and then you're gonna feel me give you a little bit of numbing medicine around the area in your lower back. Once we gave you the medicine, we're gonna start working a little more with the spinal needle, and you may feel some pressure in your back. If you're feeling any fine at that time, let me know. We'll give you some more love with numbing medicine, and we'll start again. Okay, once I give you the anesthesia medicine in your back, your leg are gonna feel very warm, and you going to start feeling numb, and then we'll lie back flat on the bed and get started up. Until this point, do you have any question for me about the procedure and how it's done?
will the spinal anesthesia cause long-lasting back pain?
Well, I'm going to tell you about that right now, but there is an incident of having some back pain around the area. Is more of a fine that's all go away, just as if you were having any sort of needle and you're in your body, so it should go away within a day or so. Okay, procedure is very safe. We do it all the time as anesthesiology. The most common side effect is that you might have the feel of it, a headache on to 2 days after the procedure is a special type of headache, and we're gonna be monitoring your that monitoring you for that. If occurs, we will be able to take care of you. Okay, you make the follow brace or tenderness also on the back. I think that was your question. This is rare, but is might occur, and it will go away in a few days. Sometime we can also during the procedure touch and nervous with our needle, and you may feel a sensation from that is a very transient feeling and will go away after a while. The medicine made also that we put in the back might also cause your bladder to be a little like we might need to put in the catheter to help you drain your urine the we need to, and then you Mick also developed some itching from the medicine that we put in the spinal anesthesia, but these are some of the common, but there are some serious fun complications with this procedure. What complication with this procedure was sometimes there can be some bleeding around your spinal cord due to this procedure, in which case you may feel your leg going numb and certain things happening that your that are foreign to your after surgery is over, and we're going to be monitoring your for that, and we will take care of it if it happen again. I will emphasize it very rare. Again, anytime there's a needle that's inserted in your back, there's chance that there may be an infection again. Very rare, but might be progressed. I need to make sure it doesn't happen. Okay, this procedure and the discussion to proceed with this procedure is your one of the alternative, as we can do what's called an epidural anesthesia, or we can do a general anesthesia, and both of those have their own risk and benefit. And if that's what you would like to do, we can talk about the in a little bit. Do you have any question at this point about the risk of this procedure?
Will my feet hurt during surgery?
Yeah, with this procedure, the spinal anesthesia, our real goal is to give you very good fine control at the point of surgery below the point of our spinal, so you should don't feel any aspect of the surgery at all. Tell me what you understood from our conversation and text back the methods of what we're going to be doing in the operating room.
Now, I understand what the risk will be from this action, but will I still be okay with it?
Okay, and we talked a little bit about the risk, and are you comfortable knowing the risk of the headache and the back pain that you give that question you raise? Are you okay?
You know, it's fine because show me her it.
So this is perfect. I will take this as an agreement that you would like to process with the spinal anesthesia. Is that correct? Great. From here is I am gonna go set up the room in the operating room, and we will see when we're ready to go, but it should be another 15 or 20 minutes. Okay,
Okay.
there's a pleasure meeting you. They look forward to taking care of you.